Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about using your pendulum to get yes and no responses. So what you will want to do is you will want to be set up on a table somewhere where there's a flat surface that can support your elbow. You don't want to use your pendulum while your arm is suspended in the air because you will get very tired. And the more tired your muscles get, the more wobble there will be in your hand and movement in your arms, and that will influence the movements of your pendulum, which will not be helpful for you to get clear answers. So for today's purposes, just pretend that I have a table that I am resting my hand on. Yes and no. These are really easy things to start with because usually the yes response for a pendulum is going to be a clockwise movement. So what you will do, and I will show you another potential yes response as well. But for the purposes of teaching, we're going to ask for a clockwise movement for the yes. So what you'll do is you'll hold your pendulum, you'll balance your elbow, rest your elbow on your table, and you will ask your pendulum, show me yes. And you will wait until it circles in a clockwise direction. If it doesn't circle, you can give it a little bit of a swing. This part is sort of a programming of your pendulum to decide what is going to be your consistent yes and what is going to be your consistent no. When you do get that circling in the clockwise direction, you will stop the motion of your pendulum, and you can do this by using your other hand as I did, or sometimes I will just take my fingers and lift the pendulum up to stop that momentum. And I'll say, thank you. Please show me no. And I will wait for the pendulum to circle in a counterclockwise direction. And this will be my no response. If you have to do this a few times, excellent. Practice it. Get very, very consistent with it. For some people, their yes response is an up and down movement. So if you are one of those people that for whom your pendulum does not circle, but offers up and down for yes and side to side for no, that is fine. There's no problem at all with that. All you are looking for really is consistency. So if that's the direction your pendulum is showing you yes, and it is consistent, then that's your yes response. And do the same consistently for your no response. Now you have a solid yes and a solid no. And you can practice by saying, show me yes. Thank you. Please show me no. And really do that a good number of times. Remember to stop motion in between. Remember to thank your pendulum for moving. And in the next video, I will show you how to ask yes and no questions that are very simple to get answers that are reliable from your pendulum.